All right, how's everyone doing? How we doing? How we doing? What's up, Harlem? Cha, Hoshi, how's it going? Caspa, my biggest holding is pumping. Is Caspa pumping? Nice. I'm trying to wait for some more people to get in here. What's up, Connecticut Eagles Kite Club? Says, can you do flux? What's up, Alicia? Doing good, doing good. Just trying to grind away here. Finally got some reliable internet, so we should have a good live stream here. But Bitcoin is not doing anything. Shiba, what is Shiba doing? Yeah, Shiba's not looking too bad out of the little bullish pattern. Still getting stuck right at the 0.5, or the 618 rather, 318. So it needs to break over that, and then you'll start moving. But doesn't look too bad. Would you say Flux? What is Flux doing? Let me put us on the bigger screen already, I guess. Flux to the moon. This is our flux chart. All right, so let me see. We have two flux charts. Not sure which one we looked at last time. All right, I'm gonna have to say the other one. Yeah, Flux doesn't look bad here. You're up over the 3-2. Off of the bottom formation, does not look bad. Let's see where you're at. If we go high to the low. Yeah, you're over the double 3-2, over the 0.5. Next stop is the 618 and the 0.5 here. So once you get over $1, you're in real good shape. But yeah, once you get over $1 on Flux from where we are right now, it's going to send you up to the macro 618, a 52% move. And then Flux to a new high at 660. Maybe it goes a little higher, 7.5x from today. $2.3 billion market cap. What's up, John? Crypto Homes, Sandu, DGen, thoughts on XYO? Yeah, DGen's still looking good. It's still not moving like I want it to. What did you say? PNG. But no, I wasn't holding. I'm not holding anything but DGen at the moment. I had to end up getting the money out. I ended up moving. So I needed every last little bit of money I could get for gas and stuff. But no, someone sent me PNG, but life's always in the way. PNG is still looking okay. Still getting stuck. Once it breaks through this red box, it's off to the races here. Anywhere from 44 up to 48. That's the reason for that red box. But you're above the 0.5 at 36, so it's in good shape right now. Yeah, and like I said, DGen's still holding up. It's not running like I want it to, but it's trying. You can see it's getting stuck right below the 3-2, so DGen, once you get over 221, you're at 215. Get over this 3-2, that's when you'll be short-term bullish, and maybe that's when she starts to pump up to that macro 786 here, up to 3-1. But that's what I'm still looking for on DGen. Nice, decent little move up here, 47% from where it is now. And then we'll see what happens. XYO. Did XYO ever move again? XYO. She's still sitting here. Really nothing to be concerned about. You can see the 3-day candles here. We're just sitting on the support and on the previous trend. That's all she's doing right now. But the fact that you got over that trend and we're holding, that's like a huge step in the right direction off of that huge candle that spawned in. So as long as you're over 2.2, I would say XYO is good to move up at some point. It's just simply consolidating right now. But once it wakes back up again, pump back up 58, 59%. Once you get over 4 pennies, then there's no telling where this thing's going to end up. Previous high would be a 226% move, so a 3.5x almost. Once you break over 4, it'll shoot you up to 8. But yeah, it's just simply sitting there right now. What's up, Dennis? Shapeshift and arc block. Yeah, I think I just covered Fox last night, didn't I? Fox is in the same spot. Not the same spot, but it's doing the same thing as the rest of the market. Dang, how many circles are here? But a lot of things right now just got stuck at resistance. You can see the 382 came into play here at 8.7. So that's why you're getting stuck off of this little move out of the pattern. If she's going to stay bullish here. Yeah, pretty much right where you are. 8.4, you're at 8.7. Got to break over 8.75. Just keep in mind it could pull back down, back test if it wanted to, and then go back up. But right now it doesn't look bad. 8.4 is your price to watch. And then if you can get this weekly candle to get up and close over, which it has 2.5 hours left, if you can close over 8.7, then you're in good shape. And then clearly that's going to send you up to the 0.5, the trend, and you'll have more resistance here. So if you get over 8.7, look for about a 60-61% move to your next big resistance area here. Could wick above it, but ultimately it's very well likely to get stuck at it. So just be aware of that. 14 will be resistance. Arc block, what is arc block doing? Is there anything moving right now? Yeah, arc block's still pretty much sitting in the same spot. It broke the downtrend, the little small off the pattern, off the formation. It's above the 1272, so as long as you're above 181, it's in good shape to push up. Once it starts moving finally, which it should start moving. The momentum is clearly up on this thing. Just needs some volume to come in, I guess. Next stop is $3. But high to the low. Yeah, you're above the 382, getting stuck at the 0.5, so you got to get above 218. Or 217. Right here is where you're getting stuck. 217 to 262. But ultimately that 50% move there. What's up, Eric, Joshua, Joseph? ICP, what is ICP doing? Yeah, ICP's in the same boat. Same exact thing going on. The same structure, getting stuck at resistance after the move up. So you got to get over 1444 there. Yeah, you're above the 618. So yeah, I'd keep it that simple. As long as you're above 1290, 1444 to be exact, is the price to beat here, but it doesn't look bad. Just need the market to start moving again. Everything's stuck. And then ICP to a 96 billion, maybe 100 billion market cap to $200 for a 14x. Does that seem fair? Got a Hoshi for 5. I appreciate that. Axelar, he says. Axelar, I appreciate the 5 there, my man. Axelar on Coinbase. Yeah, did you guys see Baby Doge took off? Excuse me. What is Axelar doing here? Hit the previous high from all the way back here in February of 2023, and she's pulling back. But overall, higher highs, higher lows off of the formation. Made it move up. Got stuck. Keep it simple. Let's see where this thing can stay bullish at. The 786 here is the 236. So you could pull all the way back down to that 786 at 88 and still be bullish, which it could very well do if it's going to keep up the market structure and drop about 15%. Still hold and move right back up. So you got to get over 117 pretty much and hold 88. And then when this one finally runs to a high, potential 5 billion market cap for about a 6x to 620. Yeah, it came all the way up to the 1618, got stuck, fell off the table, curled up. But it doesn't look bad here if you're holding it for macro returns here. I don't know where this thing's going to supposedly end up at, but that would give you a 5 billion market cap to that level there. And then the other thing on Axe here, Axel, I guess it's called. Yeah, you're right above the 0.5. 102. That's where you're holding right now. So if you hold 102 at 117 and then 129, and then you're confirmed breaking out to the upside. But the overall chart doesn't look bad. I appreciate the 5. Sup Slava, how you doing? Sup Jat B. What's the best Coinbase Dino coin to pop next? It's a good question. Sup Flip Coins. Check Myro. Myro and Hoppy. Myro and Hoppy. Let's see. Yeah, I saw the Hoppy chart earlier. Yeah, did your Billy go up again? I heard Billy was going up. I haven't looked at it. Maybe that was a rumor. Hoppy, what is going on Hoppy here? Let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to go over to deck screener to look at Hoppy. Myro, ASM. Yeah, Myro doesn't look bad here. She's just simply curling up from the bottom here. Higher highs and higher lows. If it keeps this up, then the next stop would probably be the 618 retracement here for your next big resistance at 20.5. So you'll probably do something like that. If you don't break out, you'll pull back once again. And then whenever you're going to break out, you'll break out. But the overall macro chart on Myro does not look bad here. It's simply curling up. And then Myro, 780 million market cap for, let me fix that. Yeah, your support to watch is 12.8. It looks like it should hold here. You're over the 3.2, so you're bullish, and then it looks like it's going to pump up to the 618 very soon. And did I measure that? So yeah, get ready for about a 58, 59% move up over the next week or so on Myro. And then a 6x up to 77 to that level. And then if it's going to hit $1 billion market cap, up to $1 for 7.5, almost an 8x. But yeah, Myro's not looking too bad. There's so many with good looking charts that haven't really ran yet. Just don't have the money to put into them. That's the problem. ASM moved out of our pattern. Good spot. She's over the 0.5, so that's a good look. As long as you stay over 43, you're at 44. This thing should continue to move here, but looks good out of the pattern. I remember a couple of streams back, someone was asking if they should buy in here. I don't remember who that was, but they're not moving fast, but they're moving up. This is what I'm waiting for DGen to do, start moving up. So as long as you're over 4.3, a 50% move to 6.66 there is next. So 6.5 pennies is your next big stop on ASM, but ASM doesn't look bad here. Res, what is Res? Have we looked at Res? I don't think we have. I don't know what that is. Res to 0. Let's see what this thing is. Resno. Yeah, another new one. Haven't heard of this one. Res is over the 236. So confirmed macro bottom is in. Next stop is the 382. But right now, off of these wicks, as long as you stay over pretty much 55. Well, let me move that down a little. Yeah, 55, you're still bullish. And then once you get over 7 pennies, you are macro bullish. And then where's this thing running to? No idea. Like I said, it's the first time we've heard of it. This one going to hit a new high, 54 cents. 55 cents would be an 8.5x. Res. How's the internet? I got a lot better internet now. I don't think we should have a problem. What's up, Jason? Let's get those likes up. Yes, let's get those likes up. Yeah, we looked at ABT, but it's just kind of sitting there. Finally broke out, but it's not doing anything. Flip coins for 5. I appreciate that. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that, my man. Always in here with the support. Yeah, and I know I'm missing stuff already. What's up, MoF? Dave. Irina, is that right? How you say that? Looking for Res here. Yeah. Let me see. Let me just check something real quick. Res to the moon. Resno, where can you buy this thing at? 183 million market cap. $2.9 billion circulating supply. Yeah, that's not a bad target. Just by quickly doing the math real quick, it would give you, what'd I say, about a 1.5 billion market cap. But yeah, your bottom is in over 4.9 and bullish over 7. Breakouts over 12. Once you get over 12 pennies, This move down is over with, confirmed, official. Let me see what else we're missing here. We're missing something. Friend, I can't say your name. All I see is friend. Thoughts on Stater. Q&T. Q&T's in a real good spot. Love you too, my man. Slava's always in here with the support and the love. We got Connecticut Eagles for 50. I appreciate that, my man. Thanks, bro. I appreciate. I don't know what you meant by that. All of your work. I appreciate that, my man. That is awesome. I can't believe you sent 50 bucks. I appreciate all the super chats, but that's awesome, man. What's up, Eldor? Yeah, I understood it. All of your work. Yeah, it's just been rough the last week or so. Just no internet connection or anything. It's been killing me here. Revenue's been going down, views have been going down, so I appreciate that a lot. M says, when do you think the blow off top for alt season? I have no idea. We still have to have the dominance fall, like a lot. It's not going to be for a while. At least, I don't even know if it's really started yet. Things are breaking out and moving like we see on the chart here. Let me switch over to Stater where I'm thinking about it. But things have started, they've woken up, is what we'll say, which we've been saying. The bottom formation we've been watching, things have woken up. And, you know, they'll consolidate, they'll move, they'll consolidate again, and at some point we'll go vertical. But, yeah, I appreciate that a lot. What did you say about Stater? XRP is stuck. Yep, XLM is stuck. Yeah, everything's stuck right now. All right, short-term Stater and then SUKU. Short-term Stater. So we're on Stater here. Stater's the same thing. It had a little pattern here. It broke out. It moved up almost to the 0.5, but ultimately everything's just getting stuck. So keep it simple. As long as you're above 112, 184, 185 is the price to beat here. And you can see the 382s right at that, or 236 and 382 are right on top of each other. So you're bullish as long as you're out of the pattern over 112, 113 here. 184 is the price to beat, like I said. But if it starts to move again, which it shouldn't fall below that 382, not until, you know, a long time from now. 618, $3, 126% move here. But Stater's another one. It looks like DGen, you know, they just barely pumped out of the patterns, but they are bullish. But yeah, Connecticut Eagles Kite Club for the win here. We got Charlie back in the house. What's up, Charlie? Undead, can we look at GIF Goat with Hat on base, please? Yes, we can, now that we have good internet. This for 2. I appreciate that. DGen getting nasty or just messing around. Man, I want DGen to go up so bad. My little peanut bag of money's in DGen right now. It's up just a little bit, but I need it to like 2x right now. Yeah, you can see here on the weekly candles, it's poking its head up. 3-day candles. It looks like it broke out. It may come back and back test, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I was hoping for a decent run out of this thing. Oh yeah, we went over this just earlier. Has to get over this 382 high to the low. That's why you're getting stuck. If you can get over this 219, 22, then you're bullish short term, and maybe that's when we break out once we get over that 21 to 22 level there. But that's why it's getting stuck at the moment. But yeah, I appreciate that. Let's see. My day's going good, my man. actually got up and went to church. Been going to church a lot lately. GIF, goat with hat, he says. But yeah, I appreciate that. Jabby says JASMY update, goat with hat. Alright, we're going to switch over to deck screener. Just let me quit because someone else asked for JASMY. Yeah, JASMY's not doing anything. It's just simply getting stuck, as we saw in the 3-day candles here. I said this would happen though. You could come up to the 0.5 and wick over it, but ultimately you could get stuck at the 3-2. That's exactly what's happening, but the whole rest of the market's doing the same thing. But as long as you're over the previous high at about 4.4, you could push through and get through that level. But until you get back over 5, you are not officially bullish anymore. All right, so we'll say low to the high, 4.3, 44. As long as you're over 44 cents down to 36, you're still bullish to push back up off of this move. But as long as you're below 5, you're no longer bullish. On the macro, of course. All right, we got to get over here and look at goat with hat. Let's see here. I remember how to do this. Goat with hat. You said GIF. Make sure we're looking at the right thing. But yeah, I think DGen's, it's going to go at some point. It's just taking its sweet time. All right, go with hat on base. This one, I think we looked at this one before, didn't we? How's your Barrio doing? Yeah, it doesn't look bad here. It pulled back, it held the eye to the low, came all the way back down to the 382 to stay bullish. And now you're back above the 618 at 465, so it looks good here. It's curled up, it's curled back up. I need to get back into buying some Solana meme coins before they all start taking off. Wait, what am I doing? But yeah, go with hat doesn't look bad here. Still not even at barely at a 500k market cap. Low to the high, we're back over the 382, back over the 618. So as long as you're before 3 up to 4.6, you're bullish here. And as you can see here, next big stop up is almost a 7x to 340034. Yeah, this one doesn't look bad at all. Right now it is bullish. We got friend for 5. I appreciate that. Could you take a look at DIA and Dragon Chain? DIA and Dragon Chain, he says. Yes, we can. Let me move this back over. But it's so much nicer being able to do a stream and not worrying about the internet going down. DIA, what is DIA doing? Yeah, DIA is in the same spot here. Let me move that. I can't get that little dot off. But yeah, our green support box held, our 382. I'd imagine, I'm just going to move this off the screen since it held. But yeah, another one that's just starting to slightly break out here. It looks like ASM, DGen, you know, falling wedge, triangle pattern, whatever you wanted to label this, bull flag potentially here. Falling wedge, it is breaking out. Get off my screen. Yeah, this one, DIA looks good. Falling wedge pattern over the 3-2 support. Yeah, I would have bought in right here. Over 74.5, 75 here. Slow breakout, but she's pumping. Next stop is another 10.5% to 110. Once you get over 110, 618 is next at about a 64, 65% move to 163. But there's so many things that look like they want to move up. Yeah, low to the high over the 236 at 87. But the big price to watch would be 110. Could get stuck at 110, back test, and then go. Just be aware of that. It doesn't have to. We'll see what the market has in store, but as slow as things are moving, it's got me kind of worried. But you also got to realize we're on the larger time frame. So, what else did you say? Dragon Chain. But yeah, DIA. I like DIA for the target here. 1.5 billion market cap from where we are today is a 14.5x up to 1430. It's not a bad move. 786 retracement. Definitely in the books. 314 million market cap to 285 is 2.5, almost a 3x from today. But like I said, she looks good here. Did you say Dragon Chain? I know we've looked at this one before. Yeah, we have a. Hold on, let me double check. We got Slava for 5. I appreciate that, my man. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah, let me get caught up here. Dragon Chain, we're getting behind. Oh, Dragon Chain had a nice move. Yeah, apparently the last time we looked at it, holding structure, and she took off. Almost the same exact formation, stuck right at the 618, just like the rest of the market. But you can see this one, there's a lot of resistance here. All of these weekly candles, not one got over. Got stuck again. So once this thing gets over 8 pennies here, the 618, she may start flying here. I don't know what this is. I don't know who's going to buy it, but the fact there's so much resistance there. Dragon Chain, a 20x, 21x up to the 1272 new high at 153. 560 million market cap once you break over the 618 there. Other thing we can do is go low to the high. Yeah, the 0.5236, same spot. So as long as you're over 4.8, you're bullish here. So getting stuck at the 618, if you're going to pull back, just be prepared. You could pull back 33%, still be bullish, and then still move up. Yeah, I appreciate the 5, my man. And we got Eldor for 2, says Aleph IM. Aleph IM. Hold on, let me get over there. Aleph IM, and then we're going to have to go and look up Barrio for Charlie. I think I saw you said 2. Oh, 5. Might as well check on Barrio and Bonk on base. I appreciate the 5, my man. Hamid says Arrow, XRP, Ski Mask Dog. Yeah, we're trying to get there. I got to get some of these super chats out of the way. Aleph and Barrio. Oh yeah, Aleph's not a bad spot either. Everyone pile into Aleph. This thing's going to take off. Still in that formation, pretty much hasn't really moved. So expect a good spike on this one soon. especially once it breaks the 786, breaks this previous high back here, 32% move up. This thing may shoot up here. So let's move this up. Yeah, that's what we need to go do. We need to go look at all the old coins, any of the dinosaur coins that are still in this formation here that have not moved yet. Because those things, for some reason, they had these huge runs. And if it hasn't ran yet, you know, it's just lagging. It's going to run at some point, I would have to say. Kind of like the chart you see here. So high to the low on Aleph. Yeah, you're stuck right at the 0.5. Hit the 786, came back down to this 0.5. So the price to beat is 21, bullish over 17.8, and then once you get over 257, that'll probably send you right back up and over that 786 there where you got stuck last time. I don't know why that's there. I'm just going to get that off the screen. But yeah, this one here, it's probably going to head right for the high here once it breaks, once it has its first run here. 124% move. And if it breaks the high, the 1272, a little over 4x to 88. Yeah, we like Aleph IM for a 500 million market cap, $500 million, 9.5x to $2. And then your moonshot would be a $2.2 billion market cap, $9 and a 43.5x. But yeah, I like this chart here. It looks good. Barrio on base. All right, let's switch back over here. What am I looking for? Oh. All right, here we go. But yeah, goat with hat does not look bad here. Normies, someone said ski mask. We're looking for Barrio. There's Billy. All right, I'll come back to those. I kind of want to get back into Solordi. If it's still holding the bottom, I just need to put one Solana on it, and then I'll make it. Problem is I don't have a Solana. Dang, Barrio's still running here. What is this? Daily candles? Why do we have this down here? I know we've looked at it since... When was the last time we looked at it? She's still running up, making higher highs and higher lows. So you're in real good shape here. You broke through the 2272 or the 1272 at 296. But the overall chart here just looks good. Next stop up on Barrio is about a 13% move, 13% move to 3.8. You're at 3.4. So once you break through that, a 62% move up to 5.5. So we're going to leave this here. So when we look at it again, it'll be all the way up here for you. Yeah, this thing doesn't look bad at all. At some point, it'll do this again, where it'll have this giant candle spawn in, and that'll be the blow off top. Yeah, Barrio is not a bad one. Wish we could have called it. I don't know if we did. Did you start talking about this down at the bottom? Yeah, someone said ski mask. What's up, Melissa? Flipcoin says Dino Seller Network. Is it not moved? We got Maddie. What's up, Maddie? For 5 says Mana CSTI. All right, yeah. All right, just let me really quick here. I'll get you guys super chats in just a moment. Someone said ski. Yeah, ski's still, dang, ski's still bullish here. Should have just bought ski and Barrio. Yep, she moved up. We spawned in the candles again. You're above the 1414, sitting on it perfectly, I might add, at 2.5. So the next stop up is another 100% move. So a 2x to 65. Damn. The ski mask still looks really good here. Used car. What are we doing? It's still sitting in the same spot. Not really doing anything. Oh, Billy's in the same spot. It hasn't done anything. I don't know who said it was running yesterday. But you can clearly see without the levels here, the support, turn resistance, turn support, 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 turn support again, and now resistance. So there's a level there. It'll run at some point. All right, now for the big question. What is Solo doing? Oh my God. I'm glad I didn't buy it. Damn, what's wrong with Solo? It's waiting to get down to 100% down. Damn, I thought she was going to hold here. She's still dying. Wow. Alright, I guess no one wants Solo. Alright, we're going to go back over here. Maybe I won't buy Soul. Can't believe that thing's still dying there. But yeah, Aleph IM looks good here just while I remember it. What did you say? I'm getting to the super chats. We're getting behind big time. Oh no, seller already took off. Hasn't had a huge run, but it's over the 3-2 bullish at 2.7, but 4 pennies is going to be heavy resistance here, but we missed it. One, I think is going to move soon. If I can get DOGE to do anything, double my money, I think I'm going to roll over into this. Call. Crow with knife. It's on the same crypto.com platform that I'm using right now. And you can clearly see it's just sitting right on the uptrend here. It's been sitting here for over a week now, and I've been just watching it. Yeah, I think Crow with knife is about to move. Just hit the 618 off of that wick. It's stuck below the 0.5, but yeah, I'm gonna look at it closer. All right, I gotta get caught up with these super chats. I'm getting behind big time. Maddie says mana. Oh, I got it on the screen already. Mana and CSTI. What is that? We'll do mana first because I know I have a mana chart. These are the older coins too, huh? Yeah, mana already ran. Mana stuck at the 382. So just not enough money flowing into the market. Too many coins. Because everything had a little pump, but just not enough follow through. Everything got stuck. Everyone was busy balling into XRP and DOGE. But yeah, until you get over 77, you are not bullish on mana. There's nothing to draw there. Low to the high. As long as you're over 62, you're bullish still. But yeah, ultimately you can still see this thing's just trading in a range here. But once you get over 77, you potentially break out of that range and move up. And then mana to 290, maybe $3 is a 4x from where it is today. And then mana to the new high, 26 billion market cap would give you a $14 mana, 14.5, and 19.5 20x. I guess that's our target. That's why we have it on there. Hey, did I switch this over? All right. CSTI. Am I reading that wrong? Yeah, what is CSTI? It's not popping up on here. Is it on Deck Screener? All right, Maddie, you lost me. I don't know what CSTI is. Let's see here. Oh, CTSI. What is that, Cartesi? What is that? Why did I... All right, yeah, we do have a chart for this one. Oh, wow. I haven't looked at this one in forever. Yep, same thing though. Same formation, and she's pumping. This thing woke up. Yeah, high to the low, you're over the 236, so the bottom is in over 18.6 here. Bullish over 28.5. Doesn't look bad. Should have caught this one on the bottom here. Did it hit a 786? Let's see. Not quite. So it looks like it's getting stuck at the 382 at 2.5. So once you get over 2.5, that'll send you up to 2.8. And then short term and macro, you're bullish. So 2.5 to 2.8 here. And as long as you're over 18.6. And then, yeah, 25 to 26, and you're going to break out here. And then where's this one going to end up? 786 retracement to 93 is a 3.5, close to a 4x. This an older coin. Yeah, this one double topped. This one had a double top in 2021 and then died. So $3.90 to $4 would be about a 16x. Let me see, since you paid and we're already here. What is this? Oh yeah, this is Cartesi. Cartesi's sitting at a I don't know what my phone's doing. 200 million market cap. Okay, with almost all the supply out. Not bad. What'd I say? $200 million market cap. That would take you to a 3.2. So yeah, that could be possible. But is an older coin going to 15x? Or is it more likely this thing's just going to make a slightly higher high and do about a $2 for about an 8x? All right, I got to get, let's see. Kathy, what's up? Hamid, Eagle Eye, Jat B. That's the one I skipped over. Crow on Coinbase. Crow on Coinbase. Can you get Crow on Coinbase? What's up, Alex? Making sure I covered all these. I know I skipped something. Appreciate the 2. Yeah, I was reading what you're saying, Kathy. I'm trying to figure out what you mean. Cried myself to sleep, lost 17 million SHIB and 7 million bought at. Damn. Yeah, I didn't know you could buy Crow on Coinbase. Yeah, we got a Crow chart. I don't know if we have a Crow on Coinbase chart, but well, I guess you can. Okay, we haven't looked at this thing from the golden pocket days. That's hilarious. Sitting at 19.8. But yeah, Crow, the same thing. Especially if we go down to the smaller time frames here, bullish setup, it moved out just a little bit and then got stuck at the first resistance level here. So it was like a dud of a breakout on a lot of things. Hopefully this doesn't happen to DGen. But the price to beat is 214 here, 221, 21 and a half. Crow, same formation here. Bottom was in. She pumped, she consolidated, and she tried to pump again, and the market told her no. But if I can get this to stick, as long as you're over 17.6, I would say you're bullish and in good shape here. That's really all we can say. 3-day candles here. Just go ahead and get this off. But it did have the little breakout. It doesn't have to come all the way back down here. Let me pull that back up. We've seen a lot of things where they just simply come back down. They hit the trend on the top of the pattern, and then they go right back up. So macro-wise, 17.6, and then once you break over 21, and then up to the 23 previous high here. But it doesn't look bad on the overall chart. Let me go to the weekly. As you can see here, sometimes you got to zoom in and zoom around just to see different patterns and what's really going on. Yeah, it doesn't look bad here. But Crow, once you get over the 0.5 at 21, once you get over 30, you're officially in an uptrend. And then Crow, the target we have for Crow, I think Crow is going to $2. You can see 214, 56.8, 57 billion market cap. So Crow's good for a 10.5x from where it is now. But bullish over the macro 15 here, it doesn't look bad. Let's see here. You lost 17 million on Coinbase last night? You talking about coins? JASMY? Or not JASMY, Shiba? Yeah, I didn't understand. You shouldn't have a problem with Coinbase. If you're in the US, Coinbase is the way to go. I use Coinbase and Crypto.com. That's all I can use. Hold on. Did I miss some super chats? Let me switch over here. Aleph, we did that. Mario. Did we get? Oh, we got Slava for 5 again. I appreciate that, my man. And then Slava for 10. Why is that one yellow? I appreciate that. 5 and then 10 more. My man Slava for the win. Then we got Charlie again for 2. Says 9 to 5 on base. Please also bonk on base. Had a pump. So the ticker is 9 to 5. 9 to 5 on base. So Fireman. We have a lot of targets for XCN, Crypto Homes. What is NYAN? Alicia, is that a Dex Screener coin or something else? I'm gonna go over here to Dex Screener for Charlie once again. They look at 9 to 5. Let's see. $9 to 5. Yeah, but I don't understand. How did you lose 17 million? By trading? This one 9 to 5 on base. They come up with everything. Oh, she's pumping. 87K market cap. Damn, did you just find this one? Oh yeah, she's moving. But all you had to do was find this chart going sideways here. That's a good looking chart. That's where you gamble, not financial advice. But if you see something that comes out, it goes to 0 and then it just goes sideways, that's the perfect chart. Now you can see she's pumping above the 3.2, above the 0.5 at 8.0. You're at 8.7. So as long as you stay above 8.0, 14, your 618 potential breakout point is next. Next move up is come on, move. 71% move to 14.2. Excuse me. And then if this one's going to make a new high, dang, 39x up to 2034. Yeah, not a bad one. I just don't think I can gamble anymore. If I ever get something to pump, get money, thought about buying some Solana, sending it over to my Phantom wallet, and then getting back into Soul Ordi or something, but Soul Ordi's going to 0. Yeah, Bonk doesn't look bad here. Bonk on base. She's moved up, moving on up since the last time we looked at it. It's sitting right at the 0.5. So 1800 here. You're at 1755. But yeah, this one here, 21x up to 8038. Let me see here. And then low to the high on this one. Yeah, you're sitting pretty on the 236 here at 16.5. So as long as you're above 16.5, you're good to go. Price to beat is that 28. Yeah, the overall chart is just moving up here. I would imagine at some point it'll just have some giant green candles spawning in, going vertical. But yeah, she had a nice little decent move since the last time we looked at it. I appreciate the 2 again. Let's see. Yeah, I see you guys asking for a lot, but it's just I'm trying to catch up, and then what's up, Francisco? Bro, never seen $100. What are you talking about? Alright, so let's switch back over. Let's see here. A couple that I remember you guys asking for. SUKU, Maker. SUKU, Maker. Velodrome is hitting 26 tomorrow. All right, let me do these three real quick. SUKU. No, SUKU's in a good spot. She broke it back over the trend. If it can stay over that, you're in good shape. But yeah, she's starting to move a little bit. So the 0.5, as long as you're over 11.8, tighten that up a little. Yeah, as long as you're over 11.8, you're potentially holding back over the trend here. Price to beat 618, 382 at 14.5, and then you're bullish. Yeah, if you can get over 14.5 here, you're in a really good spot. Macro bullish, and you're moving up. You're back over the trend. Then SUKU, we like SUKU to the 786 retracement, a 5.5x to 227 million, pretty much 70 cents, and then SUKU to an 800 million market cap, 450, 35, 36x from where it is today. But yeah, like I said, it doesn't look bad here. As long as you're above that 0.5. Maker, another one, V recovery, got stuck. Moved up a lot since we looked at it last. But yeah, stuck at the macro 618 on Maker. And we don't have no market caps on Maker. Do you guys think the market caps are even going to matter? Because if we have XRP and some of these other big coins go to ridiculous market caps, is it really going to matter where the blow off top is going to be? Or do we just look at levels here? But yeah, Maker got stuck at the 618. You need to get back over that to confirm. After the pullback, you can see it's a double 618 there, but you're above the 382.5, so you are bullish over 17.38 here. So if you can stay over that, then the price to beat is 2,400. And once you get over 2,400, you're in good shape. The Maker to a new high at 12,700 potentially, older coin. So that fits in. I guess for now, we're not counting the bottoms though, so I guess we need to take that into an account. But if we do that, you know, these things are going to go way higher than we anticipate. But from today, 5.5x up to the 1272 new high on Maker. Does anybody even buy Maker? Velodrome hitting 0.26, he says. What's up, Universal Codes, GME chart? What's GME? Pulse Playa. Yeah, we went over JASMY. JASMY, we'll probably go back over it again. We got Saul Goodman gifted 1 membership. I appreciate that, my man. Always coming in here with the memberships. Ski, Moonwell, Velo. He says, I do. Velo, Ski, and Moonwell. Yeah, Velo's another one. Stuck right at the 786 here. Nice run up, ultimately getting stuck. It needs to get over 16.2, the support to hold. Macro, of course, is the 618 at 11. But as you can see, the 236 is at 13.3. So as long as you're above 13.3, and then even potentially smaller time frame, smaller fib, about 14.5. As long as you're above 14.5 down to potentially 14.3, you're still bullish here to push through 16.2. But overall, it doesn't look bad. Bottom formation, she pumped, she got stuck. I'd imagine the whole market's about to go up. Yeah, also stuck right at the 618 high to the low. Came right up to that 17.7. You said Velo to 0.26 tomorrow? You're talking about all the way up here? Could be. How'd you come up with that? Appreciate the membership though. Coinbase, Turbo Coinbase listing skyrocket. Nah. It's going to give it exposure in the future, but usually when it's listed, that's it. Is Turbo pumping right now? All right, we'll see. So 70% move almost on Velodrome here. See, I done forgot what I said. Ski and Moonwell, GME. Ski, Moonwell, GME. Oh, we don't have a GME chart. Have we never looked at GME? I could have swore we did. Still trying to fix my charts here. GME. Dang, that's unfortunate. You said GME looks primed and ready to go. Let's see if he is correct. GME on Mexi, GameStop on, I guess we'll see the older trusty Gate.io chart here, see what it looks like. This look about right. Maybe right. Yeah, she looks good here. Oh, come on. GME from the high to the low. Excuse me. Yeah, the thing's coiled up, curled up here. Over the 3-2. Doesn't look too bad. Once you break over the 0.5 at 0075, that is about a 7% move. Next stop is a 52% move, potentially to 1 penny. So she's gunning for a penny right now. But the overall chart looks very good. Kind of looks like the Miro chart a little bit. It'll have a huge run soon. Yeah, but she's already moving. Come on. GME, Ski, and Moonwell. Is Moonwell just sitting there still? But GME, new high 1272 at 70 cents, 72. It's a 10x, 10.5x. I hope it does hit 50 cents for you, my man. I want all you guys to get rich. What did we just say? Yeah, XCN's going to be a good play. We got Sean for $9.99. I appreciate that, my man. Can you please take a look at Swift Coin? Boxy's now. She says DGen. Yeah, DGen's. I think DGen's about to break out. It's breaking out slowly, but it should run. Hopefully it's going to run. Nick says XCN, please. Got to do Swift Coin first. I appreciate the 10 there. Swift Coin. Oh yeah, Moonwell. Ski and Moonwell. Yeah. Swift Coin. Yeah, I just covered Swift Coin. I think I did on the channel. Oh yeah, Swift Coin's not in a bad spot either. Saw there on the 3-day candles, they're just sitting above the once trend. Curled up from the formation. Let's see what we got going on. High to the low. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 3-2. The previous high and the 3-2 at 88. 0088. As long as you're holding that, you're still bullish. Once you break over 1-2, That'll send you up to the 1272 and then so on and so forth. But yeah, this thing looks really good. Had that pump, got you over the first big hurdle, that high. The high I'm talking about is all the way back here on this chart that did nothing forever. But yeah, I see a lot of people are bullish as hell on Swiftcoin. I don't even know what this thing does, but she looks good here. But yeah, as long as you're over those levels, you're good. Price to beat is 16.5. But if you hold to stay bullish on Swiftcoin, it should move you right up to a 50% move to 16 here. And let me see. Excuse me. But yeah, doesn't look bad. And then where is this thing going to end up? Our targets are the 1618, 354 million market cap to pretty much 4 pennies for a 3.5x, and then 20 cents here for a 20x, 19.5 20x to a 1.8 billion market cap. What is your target for Swiftcoin for this cycle, not for the future? All right, let me go ahead and do ski and, well, yeah, well, still in the same spot. I mean, it moved up, but ultimately it held the macro 618 at 5.6. It's over the 236 at 6.3. So that's really all we can say about it. It needs to break over the 786 here at 12.6. So let's get this one off of the chart. But yeah, she's moving. She's not looking too bad at the moment. If we go to that high to the low, yeah, that doesn't tell us anything. Go down to the small time frames here. But yeah, as you can clearly see off of that 618 support, double bottom, higher low, and now she's moving. So it looks very good here. But a smaller price in between the 786 and 618 to watch. High to the low. Yeah, you got stuck right at the 786 here. So you need to stay over 8.3 and then break 9.5. Once you break 9.5, it's off to the races. That's crazy how easily it just, it got stuck right at that resistance there on the daily. But yeah, well, we got a couple targets for well. Once it finally goes vertical at some point, new high 1272, 4 billion market cap, I think is very possible. 14.5x up to $1.30. And then we got about 250 here for 7.7 billion market cap for a 28x. And then your moonshot, I would say, is all the way up here. 20 billion market cap, 20.7, about 690 would be a 76x on this thing. But I do like this conservative target and then the 1414 here. Moonshot would be all the way up there. No idea where people are expecting this thing to go. Probably some ridiculous price. XCM, please. Oh yeah, we didn't do ski. What's up, April? GME stock. Oh, you're talking about a stock chart? I would imagine it is, but we don't look at stocks here. Yeah, did we not look at ski yet? Come on. Yeah, ski's just been going to the moon forever. Gotta keep watching it on a 4-hour chart here. She obviously moved up since we looked at it. Yeah, it's holding over this 3 level at 278. She looks like she's about to take off. looks potentially like a triple bottom with a higher low, to the moon she goes. Higher low, to the moon you go. That should be the saying. Yeah, this thing is just so bullish. Alright, so as long as you're above 2.7, next big stop up is the 3618 at 479. Pretty much 48 for another 53% move up. It's up 4x on the week. Jeez. Why didn't I just buy ski mask a week ago? Yep, high to the low over the 618 at 30. So yeah, you're looking good here on ski. Hoppy. Yeah, Hoppy's not looking too bad. She dipped back down to the 786 here. And you're holding over the 382, getting stuck right at the 236. So let me pull this over so we can see. But yeah, pretty much low high, 382, 786 support. You bounce. Price to beat is 2.0. Once you get over 2.0, and that's going to send you up to the 1272. It's nice that you bounced off the 3.2. Once you break over this 2.0 level, 21% move, that's going to spike you up 100% to 3.4, and potentially higher than that if she's going to start running 164% to 3044 here. Arrow, he says, Slava wants Arrow. Since you sent so many super chats, I will not ignore you anymore. LCX, Arrow, Amp. What's up, Het? How's it going? Arrow. Oh, Arrow got stuck. Dang, that's unfortunate. She was supposed to make a new high. Instead, she made a lower high. Double top, lower high. Everyone get out. Arrow's going to 0. But Arrow here still looks bullish. Still made a higher high. Let's see what we got on the chart. Why do we have so many on the chart? Yeah, you're over the 786. You're over, so we're gonna, you know what, I'll just leave that. We'll just keep it simple. This recent low to the high. If you're gonna continue this little run, you have to stay over 192. You're at 217 at 42% on the week. But yeah, just kind of stalled out. Let's see what she's doing on the daily. This is one of those situations where it had the run up, and you could very well be forming a very bullish pattern here, and then it'll start pumping again. But regardless of that, if you guys, I know you want to hold these things to the moon. There's no guarantee that everything's going to go to where you want it to. So when they pump, don't be afraid to take profit, especially if you're at a loss down here or you bought in down here. If you get what I mean. But yeah, the price to beat on Arrow, of course, is the high at 238, 239. Which could very well happen. A whole chart, you're curled up here, so it does not look bad. It may be just simply cooling off and it'll take off again. Yeah. But yeah, XCN, whoever's been asking for that all day. XCN to the moon, sitting nice over the 2360 or doing nothing really. It's gearing up to go. Oh, XCN for the win. Sitting on support and consolidating in a bullish pattern. And we've been seeing this so much lately, even though they just barely kind of just fizzle out after they take off. We're still expecting this thing to hold support at 0026 and do something, at least this, and then do this. Or it could do this. It all depends, but it is bullish here. It is on support. Doesn't look bad. We've been watching and being bullish on XCN for so long. And then the next big stop on XCN, of course, is the macro 382 and the trend. So there's going to be heavy resistance once you get up here to 006. So 120% move, expect resistance, which could be out of where it is now. But then someone said, how high is it going to go? Is it going to make it high? Someone commented on one of the videos. Of course it is. 88, 27 billion market cap. So they're living in la la land, I guess. That would be a 300x, 300 to 12x from today. If I was holding XCN, especially from the bottom, even now 4x to the 0.5 at 1 penny. A lot of good targets here. 2 pennies would take you up to the 618 retracement in a bull market for an 8x. Definitely take profit there. And then a 786 retracement, 20.5x, 1.7 billion market cap to 5.5 pennies. So yeah, XCN's a good one. Yeah, I know you've been asking for XRP, but XRP and LCX. You gotta understand there's a whole bunch coming in, and then all the super chats I gotta take care of. Yeah, XRP is not doing anything. It made a higher high and then just kind of got stuck sitting here. Let's see if it hit a 1272 or something. If we go from the high back here in 2021, it's just simply sitting on that previous high. So it's in a good spot here. Next stop up, you can see the 1272 from that high to the low is also the high from back here in 2018. So as long as you're above 195, is that what it was? The price to beat is whatever this is, 330. That was the monthly candles, but that's the only way to look at something like XRP, in my opinion, unless you're day trading it. Yeah, there's nothing really to say on it. It doesn't look bad. It's just sitting here. It's still bullish. All of these green candles in a row. All of these weekly green candles. 2 green monthly candles. I would imagine as long as you stay above 195, it's going to continue to run. 330s next, and then $5, $10 is wherever it's going. But if you haven't bought XRP, you didn't buy at the bottom, you didn't buy all the year last year we were talking about it, then you missed out. LCX to the moon. LCX doesn't look bad at all. Same thing, a lot of green weekly candles. But that's what we were looking for. Bottom was put in. Low high 618, 382, pumped, and we're above the 786 now. It's getting stuck right at this same spot here. So LCX, as long as you're above 35, Yeah, you're getting stuck right at that high. Price to beat is 40. If you can get over 40, I don't see what's going to stop this thing from moving up. To the previous high from all the way back here in 2021. So once you get over 40, at some point you will rocket up or shoot up to a 73% move to about 68, 69 cents here. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. You know, one would call this a strong move up, and now you're in a bear flag. But the fact that we're in a bull market, I would just watch 35. Not bad looking. Crypto, do you think XRP is a long-term hold? I don't know. I personally say no. Because it can have all the stuff it wants, all the adaptation, all everything. But no matter where it's going to end up going, we're in the bull market. When the bull market's not here, it's going to end up coming back down. So if it comes up to $5, it'll come right back down to $1 and maybe lower for the next 3 years. Like if XRP comes up $5, $8, wherever it's going to be, it's not going to hold here for the next 3 years and then go right back up. It's going to come up here, hit $5. Like I said, come back down for something like this into the bear market. Just repeat what it did back here. Bitcoin's going to do the same thing. Wherever it tops out, it's going to come right back down. 2018, XRP dropped 97%. And then 2021, XRP came down 85%. So just keep that in mind. LCX at 80. GME the stock. What's up, MISPA? Yeah, we all try our best. Let's see here. LCX. What you mean 80? Are you talking about going to 80 cents? ALB, we got Saul for 3. He says ALB. I appreciate that. Yeah, Q&T's already skyrocketing. Yeah, I'll try to go look at the stock in just a moment. I appreciate the 3 from Saul there. So who got the membership earlier? Come to the front of the line and wave your hand. What are we looking at? Alien Base. What is Alien Base up to? Yeah. She had that little pump out of the pattern here, and it's pulling back. You could call this another bullish pattern here. A lot of red candles in a row, though. But that's usually what you want to see. Not really want to see when you're holding it, but when something pumps like this, a pullback like this, and then it'll pump right back up again. So we'll see if that holds up. But let me get that off just so we can see better. man, my hand is dead right now. Yeah, it's about to double bottom on the 3-2, so if you can stay over 40, you're in good shape here. Potential double bottom right now with a higher low, and she's about to start pumping again on the smaller time frame, so just watch that price. And then, like I said, on the larger time frame, could be a little bull flag falling wedge pattern form, and it's going to go right back up. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. So from the ultimate low, high, yeah, as long as you're above the 618 on the macro, you're good. But those smaller targets at 40 are good to watch. And if it holds 40, if it is going to double bottom pattern and move, you could see this thing shoot up 73, 74% soon. But it does not look bad. Hour and 30 minutes in, that's it. It feels like we've been on here forever. Everyone hit the like button if you can. Yeah, Q&T, as long as you're over 140 on Q&T, Q&T's in a real good spot here. SPA's a good hold? No idea. SPA's a good hold to make money on, and then I learned from the past, don't marry any crypto because they'll make you cry. Yeah, SPA. I have no idea what the project is. Most of these things we look at, I don't know what they do. I go simply by the charts here. So you're over the 382, you got stuck at the 0.5, clearly stuck right at the trend here with the second candle. So bullish over 16.9, breakout over the trend, over 2.8, over the 0.5. But when you say long-term hold, I don't know what that really means. If I owned it right now and I bought in, my long-term hold would be the 786 retracement, get my 5x and get out. Up to 9.5, 10 pennies. Once it hits 10 pennies, I'm out. Never going back into it. And then 1.3 billion market cap on SPA. It's a 43x almost, 80 cents. Is that even possible? AMP, Turbo, Cinco says Hoppy. Excuse me. Yeah, we did Hoppy earlier. Hoppy's looking good. It's bullish. There's nothing else to really say about it. But if we have time, we'll go relook at it. AMP, same thing with AMP. The bottom formation was in. You're over the 382. You're bullish over 0078. Stuck at the 0.5 at 13.2. Like I keep saying, the whole market's just stuck right now. 0.5, 786. So 12.1 you need to get over, and then up to that 0.5, or you could pull back. So the question is, are we going to have a pullback on the market? We're going to see a couple of red days. Everything's going to drop 25%. Then all the influencers are going to be crying that the market is over. What's happening? Shocked faces all over the place. But yeah, simple pump off of the bottom and got stuck. It's that first initial wake-up move. So whatever happens from here, 382 gets hit, whatever's going to get hit at some point, we're just going to continue grinding up and sideways and then up vertical at some point. And we just saw that with some of the old dinosaur coins. They just went completely vertical. Now they're cooling off. They may cool off for a month or two, and then we're going to go vertical again, or 3, whatever it's going to be. No one knows. But AMP, 2 billion market cap to 4.75 pennies is a 4x, and then potential new high on this one, moonshot 33 billion market cap for a 45x, but keep in mind, AMP is a dinosaur coin in my opinion. So is it going to make it? Not really a dinosaur, but what is AR? Can Turbo hit 10 cents? Let me go ahead and I don't remember our target on Turbo. Oh, Turbo's pumping. It's to buy the rumor, sell the news. Be prepared, guys. Rumored to get listed on Coinbase, so it's pumping. Yeah, it moved up since we looked at it. 10 cents on Turbo? Oh yeah, we're going to 40 cents, my man. I need to readjust this Turbo chart. A 5 billion market cap on Turbo is an 11x to 8 pennies. That's a potential target. But yeah, she's moving right now. She held our support at that 0071, got back above the 1272. So when are they listing this thing on Coinbase? Because it just needs to move up another 30%, hit a penny and a half, billion market cap, and then it'll sell off. Yeah, I need to clean the Turbo chart up. This thing is still messy. But if Turbo's going to follow the other meme coins and all the other dogs, and if they're going to hit ridiculous prices, if PEPE is going to hit 50 to 100 billion, then why can't Turbo hit a 26 billion, 40 cent, 35x from today? One last blow off top in the bull run at some point. Air weave. Is that it? AR? Yeah, that's got to be the air weave chart. Oh no. No, there's a better chart. We looked at it recently. Oh, come on. AR. Airweave. Yeah, this one broke. I'm gonna have to get a drink. But yeah, this one broke the downtrend, had a little pump, getting stuck right at the 618. Yeah, she's moved up since we looked at it. Broke the downtrend. Go high to the low. Yeah, you got stuck right on the wick almost, right at the other 618. Now, hold on. Jeez. But yeah, I'll just keep it that simple. You're stuck at resistance right now. The price to beat is 2.6. Price to hold is 21.5. As long as you hold 21.5, high, low, you're bullish here. But the fact that you broke the downtrend is not a bad move here. Like the rest of the market, everything's just getting simply stuck at the moment. I don't really see anything breaking through and breaking out. But this one to a 14 billion market cap, 1272 new high at about 215 would be an 8x. MOG ran and held pretty good when it was listed on Coinbase. Yeah, someone asked for MOG earlier. Yeah. Did the move end when it got listed? It doesn't necessarily have to fall back, but the pump stops. I guess this is it, huh? Because it just got listed. I don't know where it was. But yeah, MOG overall chart looks good. Stuck perfectly at the 2618 here at 4-1. So we may see Turbo do a similar move. It's pumping right now, hit that penny and a half and just kind of get stuck. And then at some point a slight pullback, bullish pattern, whatever it's going to do, and then it'll run again. But like I said, that is real good exposure, especially coming up into the bull run here. I don't think people have come in yet. I don't think retail's here yet. People are not piling in yet. Even though we're seeing things pump, they're not really pumping yet. But yeah, low to the high over 267, you're still bullish. MOG, we should have just all bought MOG. Alright, that's not bad. 52% gain after it got listed. We got Sullen for 279. Says, can you check PNG? Orca. No, we didn't know Orca. Alright, we're going to check on PNG in just a moment. I got to go get a drink. I'll be right back. Give me like 2 minutes and I'll be back. All right, we're back. Appreciate the 279 PNG, he says. Turbo hit 40 cents. My life would change forever, man. I hope it does. But we'll see. PNG. What is PNG doing? I mean, there's people like buying MOG down here, Mudang, whatever it is. People are already getting their lives changed. Just gotta wait your turn and be patient. That's why I need my little coin to pump so I can start rolling some money in. I need it now more than ever. But yeah, I hope you guys make it. I hope you guys cry because you're making so much money. Yeah, PNG still stuck at our box. Still stuck at our red resistance box here. This is the price to beat. This is the high to the low 618 up to the 1618 at 48 down to, what is this? About 45. What is, let's see. 44 and a half. But ultimately, that's why the red box is here. You're getting stuck. Once you get through this red box of resistance, then you're off to the races on PNG. Potentially to the measured move at 2. Jeez. Which would be on PNG, of course, a decent move here. 5.5x. But then we also could pull this up. High to the low. And you can see that 618, 0.5 here above at about 36, 37. So once we get through there, we do have the smaller targets to contend with, of course. Potentially a 50, 46, 47% move up to about 59.60 would be the next stop, and then potentially up to about $1.34, 35, 230% move. But right now, just keep it simple. The box is in the way. We have to get over this box here, and then of course hold support. But she finally did wake up and break out, so that's, the first good step in the right direction here. But I appreciate that. What's up, Patrick? Yeah, we looked at SUKU. QNT to 500. Yeah, we end up looking at things multiple times here. Jeez. But SUKU high to the low, you're over the 0.5, 382, and 618 is up next. So pretty much once you break through this 382, 14.5, you're in real good shape at that point. You can also see if we draw the trend here that broke, it's going to come into play. So once you get up to 14.5, once you finally make it up here, you may wick above it, but just be aware there is going to be heavy resistance here and you could get a pullback. But yeah, it still looks bullish here. It's still moving, but you're coming up on resistance on SUKU. He says QNT to 500. Alex says peak is on fire. QNT is going to $2,000, my man. Yeah, where are we watching peak at? On the daily? Has it been that long since we looked at it? Yep, she broke the previous high. Now she's holding support. Dang, what is wrong with these candles here? Damn, why do we have a triangle there? Must have been looking at it on the 4 hour or something stupid. Oh yeah, so see, that's why I don't like the smaller time frames. But yeah, overall chart on peak is just bullish. Holding perfectly over 59.60 here. As long as you're holding that, then the next stop up is of course the 1272. 30% move, and then up to 97 to $1, 53% move, and then ultimately, if it hits $1.5 billion market cap, that's a 6.5x up to $4. But yeah, this one just came out, huh? Yeah. So potentially a really good play. From my understanding, it's AI, ain't it? Boppy, what is Boppy? ALCX says rep. Yeah, it's been a minute since we looked at this one. Trying my best not to cough. So yeah, this one held the uptrend, held the formation at the end. It was time to buy in here. She's above the 236 and she's moving right now. So it's pretty much as long as you're above 25, you are good to go. Up almost 35% on the week. You're over the high to the low 618 at 27. Next stop is 35. So your next resistance to watch, as long as you're over 27, it's about another 19-20% move. 35 is next. If you get through that, then 43 would be next. So just be aware of that. So if it doesn't get stuck there, 47% move up. But yeah, ALCX is pumping right now. Oh, okay, peak is the RWA D-pin. SHIB all-time high coming, I hope. What did you say? Irina says good night. Good night, Irina. Did I look at what you wanted to look at earlier? I don't remember. Oh, you said ADA and AVAX. I'll look at ADA if you're still here. Chat's lagging though. Oh yeah, ADA looks good. ADA on the macro chart is sitting pretty over the 618 at 113. So ADA's in a real good spot. This move is officially all over with over this. So if you hold over 113, next stop is a 786 at 176, and you'll move up about 50%. And then Cardano, new high 637, 640, 229 billion market cap, and a 5.5x. If it's going to hit that. NYAN, what was that? NAN. This one, NAN Heroes. Why do we have a chart? We don't have anything on here. This what you're talking about? Not a bad looking chart. Already moved up. High to the low over the 236, coming up on the 302. So as long as you're over 12, 18 is the price to beat. And yeah, we can kind of speculate on it here, but it does look good. 13.5 could be a price to watch for support, but you're coming up on resistance at 18, so that's your price to beat. Got stuck back here perfectly. So if it continues to stay bullish here, another 17% move, but if you can get over that, you're macro bullish and you're in real good shape. Breakout over 35. It's up 71%. This one to a new high at the $2 range, 213, 214 would be about a 13.5x from today. Ow. Yeah, my arm's still hurting, so it's always something. But yeah, doesn't look bad. Man, I think I'm saying that right, man. Alex says trying to send you a super chat. Yeah, you're gonna have to get your wife to do it again. I don't know what to tell you, my man. Or there's always Cash App or the description, crypto. I think the only thing I've ever gotten on the description part is Solana. I think Solana and then PNG one time. Do render, please. We still got 40 people in here. Everyone hit the like button. It's going to help out a lot. You don't have Cash App. Just send, I don't know what to tell you. You don't have to send anything, but you can always send Solana to the Solana wallet or something. And I'll go gamble it away. Render. Render. What is Render up to? Yeah, Render doesn't look bad. Same thing here. And I had to stop saying that at some point. Broke the downtrend. Man, we should have been looking at Render closely here. Downtrend and the pattern in play, and then it just broke out. But other than that, you're above the 236. You're above the previous high at 877 on the chart we have here. It's in good shape. High to the low, short term, you're over the 786. So as long as you're over 1004, you're even better shape. Next big price to beat on Render here is excuse me, I just chugged a Red Bull, a diet Red Bull. Trying to get some energy. About a 34% move to the next resistance, and then once you blow through that, next stop is 120% move. On Render here, let me zoom this out so we can see. Yeah, up to the 1272 new high at 22. Then Render, 19 billion market cap to 36 will be a 3.5x, and then pretty much a $75 Render. 7.5x to a 39 billion market cap. But the overall Render chart doesn't look bad here. It's just been curled up for a very long time. And I would imagine at some point it'll just have giant green candles spawning in here. So it may go higher than this. Jeez. Oh, we're already 2 hours in. Yeah, we'll get back over to Deck Screener in a minute. Fox hit 10 and came back to 8. Yeah, we looked at Fox earlier. Yeah, Fox was the one that tried to break out. Yeah, we went over this earlier. Exactly. Wicked above, getting stuck at the 3-2 at 8.7, so it has to stay with the weekly candle. Has 40 minutes left over 8.7 here. If it can do that, then it'll pump up potentially to 14. 14 is your heavy resistance. Or if you stay over this here, another move up to heavy resistance would be a 62% move trend in the 0.5. But yeah, you say it gone up to 10 and it went back to 8. That's simply just because it wicked above, but it's getting stuck. It's just the way it works. We got 45 people in here. Let's try to get 100 people in here today. Come on now. What did you say? Oh yeah, someone said Q&T earlier. Probably going to do a Q&T update when we get off the stream. I'm just going to pump out some updates. I have nothing else to do. Yeah, Litecoin's over the 0.5 at 130. Not looking too bad. The fact that you're over that macro resistance is very good. Yeah, I guess it hasn't moved. Excuse me. Jeez. Hasn't really moved from the last time we looked at it. That's another one that's just kind of sitting here. Let's go down to the smaller time frame, see if she's just biding her time before she runs again. Yeah, it's just kind of sitting here going sideways on support. So that's always good to see. But yeah, as long as you're over 130, 129, 130, next stop is 170. At some point, these things will start moving up again. 47% move over 170, and then once you're over 170 on Litecoin, the official bear market is over, and you can look at these higher prices here. So the big question is, where's Litecoin going to go? I think I heard people say $500, 500 to 700. So 18.6 billion to 250, not even 100% move there. So the target I have 1272 at about 780, 5.5x to a 58 billion market cap, new high. Litecoin to the moon. Did we look at SHIB earlier? I think we did. Someone said SHIB new high. Yeah, SHIB's over the 618 at 318, so it's in a good spot at the moment if they can hold. We got these weekly candles about to close here. So we'll see what happens when they hold. But yeah, the target for SHIB, 100 billion market cap, 106 new high at 3018. And now from today, that is a 5.5x there on Shiba. But if I had any kind of money, we'd be hunting for stuff right now. Hunting for some bottom coins. Because I really need to make money. So we'd be hunting for something that hasn't moved. Instead of looking at everything that's already running. AVAX, same spot. Weekly candle's about to close. You're well above the 618 at 50. So if it can hold here, then the next stop up is the 786 at 81 and a potential move up of 50% to a 33 billion market cap. Music's not too loud, is it? 2 hours later, I finally ask. Someone let me know, is the music okay? Can you even hear it? Yeah, you're above high to the low 786, 618, so you're in a real good spot here. I would imagine AVAX is going to have a huge run, just like at some point, all these other coins are going to have huge candles spawn in, like XRP, XLM, Dogecoin. But this one, 6x to 131 billion market cap to $324, potentially $300, wherever it's going to be. But yeah, I think AVAX is going to be AVAX is going to do good this cycle. It's already moving up. Orca. Oh yeah, Orca's in a good spot too. Yeah, some of these things a lot of things are stuck, but a lot of things are in good spots. Jeez. This one got over the trend, got over the 618. So it looks like as long as you stay over this 464 area, you're at 620. And like I said, these weekly candles are about to close here. Real good spot over the 618. Hit the 786, made a higher high. So that's bullish. So as long as you can stay over the trend over the 618 here, next stop up, tomorrow's Monday, so maybe we'll start pumping again tomorrow. 50% move to your first resistance at 925, and then up to the high for a 250% move, 3.5x. Then Orca, $68, 3.5 billion market cap to an 18x. Well, let me move that. 11x. But yeah, Orca's not in a bad spot either. Oh. What about True USD? What is True? This? TrueFi? True USDT? Is this what you're talking about? I don't know what this is. But yeah, we're looking over DGen a couple times. Yeah, there's someone in here that has like 50 QNT. I forgot who it was. QNT is on its way to 2,000 bucks a coin. Alright, yeah, this is it. But yeah, Boxy, DGen is the only coin I'm holding right now. I ended up putting my little small peanut bag into DGen from JASMY. JASMY pumped, of course, and DGen's kind of breaking out, but not really doing anything. If I would have just stayed in on JASMY, the next day it went up 100%, I believe it was. It's the way it works. I try. I don't know what else to say. High to the low, 236, over the 382, bottom formation, looks good. As long as you're over 10.9, 11, you are macro bullish. Price to beat, of course, is the 0.5 where you're coming up to right now at about 17. On the smaller, if you can see that, zoom this in a little bit. You can see we're over the 618 at 14.7. So if you can stay over that with these candles 30 minutes to close time, you're in good shape here. Like I said, 17 is the price to beat, and then the 618. Once you get up to 618, then it's up only. That's over 26 there. But like I said, no idea what this is. People want to buy it. 19x to 290. 1272 new high on this one. Oh, come on. True, interesting. They do loans using crypto. Okay. Wonder how that works. I may have to check them out. Go get me a loan. Sub game time. You have 20 Q&T. Nice. What do you think about your profile? What you guys think about his profile? Portfolio, I mean. Hoppy, AR, Orca, GFI, and ABT. FET. Yeah, FET's another one I'm extremely bullish on. Did it move yet? Nah, it's gone. It keeps slowly going up, just barely. But FET's about to have its little monster run soon. Beautiful, beautiful picture here. That's what you're going to see happen. Yeah, high, low, you're over the 618 at 191. Price to beat, previous high 786 at 250, and then it's over. FET to the moon at that point. Which I say previous high, there's a high here, but the chart we have drawn is back here from November of 2021, broke above it, held it for a moment, fell off the table, and now she's pumping up again. But first big target is a 3.5x, 17.6 billion market cap, $7 here. Yeah, FET. So many coins I want to get in on, but DGen. Oh. Come on, DGen, wake up already. I mean, it's awake clearly, but it's not doing anything. Last time, the bull flag pattern, we go over this every time. That giant candle spawned in, and then another one spawned in. And now this time, because I bought in, it held support. Looks good. Falling wedge pattern, and it's just like a little puff of smoke. Just a little puff of smoke out, and that's it. Man. I mean, it broke out here, but it's just sitting here. This is like the fourth time we've looked at it today, but the only thing you can say on it is simply this. Shorter time frames, which we're just going to stay here on the 3-day, right at the 3-2 at 218 or 215. So once we get over the 3-2, then maybe that's the point to where it starts to run. But that's what I'm kind of waiting for. See, that's all I want is a 46% move. Maybe a little higher. ABT is a keeper. Cat slap. Let's see here. I appreciate that, Patrick. Covering some coins. I appreciate the live stream. Or amazing live, he says. Dang, Het, you have 500 Q&T. Are you kidding me? You sold them all? Yeah, I see you saying cat slap, iPhone hacks. You gotta calm down a little bit. We've looked at slap before. BenQ and ACH. Yeah, we looked at ACH. I just did an update on ACH on the channel. There's a lot more updates coming out. It's just needed to get in a good live stream today. I'll be back on tomorrow, of course. Yeah, ACH here. Got stuck at the trend. Didn't quite hit the 0.5. You're above the 3.227. So pretty much needs to get over the 0.5 at 4.1 to be in a good spot. But simply getting stuck here. You're above the 618, below the 786. So 3.2 is the price to hold. 3.9, 4 pennies is the price to beat up to 4.1. And then you're in good shape here. And then ACH, my target, 62 cents, 4.8 billion market cap, 17.5x. But it had a nice run off the bottom formation, just simply got stuck. So most things got stuck, some things got over, and they're looking good, but things are just kind of lagging. Hold on. All right, so yeah, over 2 hours live stream. I think we're about done here, huh? We pretty much looked at everything. Some things double. Oh yeah, you said BenQ. Yeah, this was the one that had that large falling wedge pattern, 236, the same formation at the bottom. You're above the 382 at 2.4, 2.5 pennies, so it looks good here. It's officially bullish. 20 minutes left on these candles. Should we stay on until these weekly candles close, see what happens? We'll see a new candle spawn in the red and just everything start dropping. But yeah, as long as you're above the 382 at 2.5, you look good. And go high to the low inside the pattern. And yeah, 382, 618 in the same spot. So you look good over that price there. Let's keep it that simple. And then where's this one going in the bull market? 786 retracement, 5x, 13.7, 676 million market cap. That's not bad. 5.3 billion market cap. I don't know what the market cap is right now to $1. Can BenQ hit $1 and do a 40x? Wow, I didn't realize it was almost 6 o'clock. Let's see. I mean, it's like I said, I don't have really anything to do, but figured more people would show up in here. If you guys like the video, share everything you can. Ben. All right, this thing's sitting at a 133 million market cap. So we'll see. Just keep TIA. All right, everyone, we're gonna have to end this. I have to go do something. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Appreciate the super chats, the support, everything. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.